Today, I will be showing you how to use test options in Blackboard. If you already have a test created, click the arrow to the right of its title. It will produce a drop-down menu with the option to click Edit the Test Options. Click it. With test availability exceptions, you can offer certain students and groups longer access to a test. For example, in the test availability section, you may choose to display a test on October 1st. From 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. In the test availability exceptions section, you can choose certain students and groups that you want to grant longer access to the test. So you'd click Add User or Group, click the user and or groups, click Submit. Then under Availability, you must add a day and time in the after and until fields. Once you are done, click Save and Submit. In order to do this with the new test that you are just creating, refer to Create a Test.